Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.